how to transfer funds from Gcash to your bank account. So on your dashboard, you just have to click this one, bank transfer, and then you will be able to see all the banks where you can transfer your funds to. So, for example, your bank account is BDO. So, marami dyan na bangko, BPI, BDO, Land Bank, East West, ayan. So, andito yung maraming lists of banks na pwede mong pag-transferan. So, let's say BDO. So, you just have to put in the amount kung magkano ita-transfer mo. As you can see, maximum of 50,000 lang ang pwede mong ma-transfer in a day. There. And then, account name. So, kayo nakapangalan yung account. Account number. Depends sa bank account mo. Send receipt to. So, saan mo isi-send yung email confirmation ng matatransfer mo. And then, once done, just click on send money. And then, you'll be able to receive na yung email confirmation from the email. And then, there will be 15 pesos na charge. So, this is the convenience fee. And this is InstaPay. So, real-time yung pagta-transfer. So, once you click on send money, automatic, nasa bank account mo na yung funds na tinransfer mo. So, that's how easy it is to transfer funds from Gcash to your bank account. Okay? Thank you. I hope na nakatulong to sa inyo. So, if it helps you, please give this video a like and a thumbs up, and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.